Now I have created a dictionary A with 3 keys and corresponding 3 values. I am creating another dictionary B. So this time I'm taking some floating value 2.9 and its corresponding value is some 9, or we will take some random string from it, Python. Okay. And the next value we are taking, next key we are taking as a fruit, and the corresponding value for the fruit is apple. Okay. Next we are taking the sport, and the corresponding key for this sport is cricket. So my purpose of creating 2 dictionaries here is I want to add these 2 dictionaries. How to add 2 dictionaries? We already know how to add 2 lists. For this purpose I am creating the 2 lists, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. This is one list C. D is equal to 5 comma 6 comma 7. This is another list. If I write simply C plus D, then the 2 lists will be concatenated. But is it happening to the dictionary? Can we apply the same concept to the dictionary? We will check. So I am also writing A plus B, the 2 dictionaries, but it will give error because in the dictionaries this process is not there. We cannot add the 2 dictionary variables by using a plus. So how can I concatenate the one dictionary to another dictionary? By using the update command. So I am writing this time A dot update of B. What this will do? It will add the items in B to A, such that items in B are added to A and B is unaffected and A is concatenated with the items of B. We will check. Now we already know what is A and what is B. This is A. In the A, only 3 keys are there, 1 GPT country, and in the B 2.9 fruit sport are there. So I have to get 6 keys and corresponding 6 values. I will check whether this is happening or not. Yes, I am getting 6 keys. 6 keys and with the corresponding 6 values. Now what is happening to my B? B is not at all being affected. So this is like in the C programming we already know. If I use string concatenation, A and B are 2 strings, then the string B is concatenated to string A. So string B is added to string A, but the string B is unaffected. Similarly, when we use the update here in the Python, if I write A dot update of B, then the items in B are added to A, but B is unaffected. This is how we concatenate 2 dictionaries in the Python.